Manipur gi Irang Asigi Mapung Oiba Hourakpham di drug AMASUNG law Kaina Changsillakpa Shing Thingluba Asini HAINA Chief Minister NONGTHOMBAM BIREN PHONGDORAKLI TV channel News 9 na lova akhanaba interview amada Chief Minister na wafum asi phongdokladuna mahakna makhatana hai kumja lising amaga chamapan homfuni toidagi horaga Myanmar da tangdu leita daba thodok khudingi state asida masing yamlaba mi kya law Kaina changlai hanadigi free movement regime asi Myanmar amadi India gi ngamkhaida chanarakpana lepak ani gi citizen singna kilometer nifu phawba che chang amata yaudana chatok chashin tawba yarame set asida law Kaina changlakliba sing asigi data khomgat ana walengang na thabak lokat pa horake set asigi district kharada law Kaina changlakpa mi gi masing asi akaknaba kanglup amada khanghen hengalakpa asina lamdam asigi elhomi singna akiba masak ama oirakpa asidagi thabak asi laukhalakpani hairiba thabak asi laukhatlubana Irang asi thoknanaba ya choba machak ama oirakhibani Mark na makhatana hai war on drugs asi kumja lising ani tara nipan dagi haukibani adubu COVID-19 na maram oiraga lepkibani madugi matungda mu hana chatharakpadagi state asida drug lalonba drug sijinaba amadi popi thabigi chang asi sada humpu hanthan mangamke War on drugs asigi manungda Manipur khakta lupa crore lising humphurong ki drug phaki hector lising tara nipana tharamba popi mangan kibani lengang na Changsillakpa khongjang asida miyam na sumapum phana mateng pangki miyam na phong na tholakna popi thabagi mayokta thabak tawba horake lengang na chathariba war on drugs asi kanglup khuding maktani masi cookie khakta da chathabala nate adubu mapung oina popi thaba si cookie na masing yamna khundaba mafam singna tawi adubu mafam adugi civil society singna popi thaba mangan magi thabak chatharibani madu oiduna su drug ki mayokta chathabalan asi kanglup amagi mathakta chathabalan oina sagalakhibani Manipur asi Myanmar dagi India tamna drug pusilakna bagi achoba lambi amane masina India gi tongan bat state sing Maharashtra Delhi amadi UP na chingba state singda chauna akaiba piribani masida mapal lek paki thawinsin yauramloi haiba leite masida nongsuplonggi lepak amadi China su yauramloi haiba ngamde haina makna phongdoke Law Kaina Manipur mi kya changlakpagi matangda palladuna Chief Minister na hai kumja lising amaga chamapan humbudra nithoida kuki gi MLA asi supnatigi taruk khakta oirame adubu haujikti tarada hengatkhre kuki gi masing asi nongma gi hengalakli masina state asi gi apikpa phurup singda choba singnabam oirakle ningsing bathok thaba matamdagi naga amadi meitei singna punna hingminarakle masida lengak na state asida leiminari ba chin kuki singbusu yelhomi oina punna hingminari bani adubu state asida oirakliba Irang Asigi law Kaina changlakpa mising khandokpa drug ki mayokta lan chathaba amasung umangi lam mangan takhan Thingluba asina oirakpani Thokliba Irang Asigi warushin purakna nabagi damak law namadi phongna committee kya semdana kuki gi CSO luchingba singa unana bathorang tawkhre makhoi gi marakta wari sanabasu hokre mak masa Guwahati amadi Delhi da chatuna kuki MLA sing unarure masigi mathakta atai furup singda su warushin purakna nabu honabada mateng pangnaba haikiba leire Haujik Manipur thokliba Irang Asidi pressure kaya leirabasu Prime Minister Narendra Modi amadi Union Home Minister Amit Shah na mapum phana lamjing biba asigi damak thagatpa phongdokli lusingba ani asigi makhada Manipur tangdu leitaba amadi chawkhatpa soidana purakpa ngamgani haina Chief Minister na phongdoki
You see, in the war on drugs was launched in 2018. And due to the COVID, we cannot do fast. Then after COVID, we did something. Then after the next government comes, we started again. Till today, as per the satellite report, poppy cultivation has reduced to 60% in the state of Manipur. That became a great achievement. And the arrest of drugs peddler has reduced like anything. Now it has gone through some other state. Road has been changed because of our, active vigils. And in the operation, drugs, we arrested around 60,000 crores rupees drugs from Manipur state, and around 18,000 hectares of poppy plantation were destroyed. But now today's recently, one positive step is coming from the Chin Cookie brothers, rightly from the cookie militants that United People Fronts, we include the Cookie National Organization. They have sent out a press handout saying that and instructing to all the village chiefs and the civil societies and all the peoples not to indulge in any kind of drug trafficking and not to do any poppy plantation. It is a good achievement of the peoples of the state and the government of India also. Nisha Mukta Bharat under the Prime Minister of Modi ji, it's also taking place smoothly.